Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and interesting when you compare. So we know that officially Windows 11 is at 1 year. It was released October of 2021. And we just had Windows 11 22H2, and we have Moment 1 partially. And of course, today I was talking about the market share for Windows 11, which is and stands at 15% roughly. So one of the things that made me curious is to see where was Windows 10 at the same 1 year mark in 2016, since the Windows 10 operating system was released July 29th, 2015. Well, on July 2016, where was the market share for Windows? Well, it's very interesting. Here we see that the market share, and this is 1 year after Windows 10's release, the market share for Windows 10 is at 21.1% a year after. Obviously, it is way ahead of what Windows 11 is at 15, and so 6% more is quite a number more. It's interesting to see that, there were these phrases that Microsoft was saying that, oh, well, it's the fastest growing Windows and so on. Well, it doesn't look like it. Also, it's interesting to see how Windows 7, which is at 9% today, was 47.1% back in the day, but it was still, of course, supported. It was still an operating system that people could use. A lot of the Windows 10 users, part of them came from Windows 8, but a lot of them probably did come from that Windows 7, Windows 10's free upgrade. I think there were some people that actually used that, but definitely interesting to see that, a year after the release, Windows 10 was definitely ahead of what Windows 11 is today. So that tells us, frankly, that Windows 11's, progress is slower than Windows 10 was at the time. So it's going to take a lot of time for Windows 11 to achieve any real momentum, if ever. Especially with, the rumors that now Windows 12 is probably a thing. The future of Windows is going to be interesting to look at. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.